Hello everybody, it's Giacomo speaking. Thanks for joining to this video on General Electric stock. In front of us there is 1 hour candlestick price movement of GE or General Electric stock, and based on technical and fundamental analysis, let's see if we are able to find the next step of the price movement for this stock. So fundamental analysis, everybody knows about the virus is still with us, so no vaccine has been found, so the situation has not been changing since last month. Perhaps getting into the summer, it seems that the virus is less infected than in winter time when temperatures are cooler or colder, so should be almost the same situation anyway. The tensions between China and US is still ongoing, and it has already impacted the General Electric stock because they have some businesses out of US, so abroad, especially in China, so it has impacted General Electric. And then the third news is that General Electric has just sold, I think yesterday they found an agreement on light bulb unit that they sold for 250 millions to Savant Systems, because it was already planned to be sold. It was 2 years transition of this unit to Savant Systems, because General Electric is shifting its business, is going in a different wave. There is a nice article on Bloomberg, but anyway, based on those fundamental analysis, this is the reason why the prices went up yesterday, just for this, because they sold this unit, and generally based on technical analysis in front of us, the prices have been moving, let's say, there is kind of trend. Actually, the red line is the red, we can be bearish trend, and then actually it's bearish trend toward the trendless condition, so toward the sideways trend. So those prices can move, they can move inside this, first of all, this channel dotted amber line at the bottom line, and then I think this is gonna move inside this channel. But because this one is a trend line, bearish trend line, and then this kind of bearish trend line, because then it should have been adjusted to this peak as well. But anyway, and this one can be seen as double bottom reversal pattern, but I think again this is 1 hour chart, so we cannot give all those importance to this reversal pattern, because it's 1 hour chart. It's not very important. Those patterns are much more important for the daily chart, and for a bigger durations it's just a couple of days, so really it's not, we cannot give a lot of importance to this pattern, but just to take it as reference. Perhaps the market is reversing, so that's why this is what happened. So this one can be seen as double bottom, but just to open an option to the price movements, perhaps the price can reverse back to this amber line and then jump up again to complete the reversal pattern. So this is the return move of the prices, and then they will go up, or they can just go up straightforward starting from this point. But the prices went up mainly because they sold this unit, and I think overall it's not right time to go long for General Electric. It's still an old position, and perhaps if we want to go long for a short-term investment, let's wait let's wait if there will be a price retracement before going long for a short-term time, because I think those prices will keep moving sideways before going up. So it's not right time to go long. Short, we can go long for a short investment, but just let's wait at the end of a potential retracement or a potential completion of this bottom reversal pattern. So in conclusion, just hold before going long for a short-term investment. So hold because we want to see if the price will retrace or not, and just hold for long-term investment. It's not really right time yet due to fundamental analysis and technical analysis, where there is no really a well-defined trend. It looks to me more a trendless condition, so a horizontal sideways trend movement. That's all from my side. This is my interpretation on General Electric as it is now. Thanks, bye.